The focus for this week is working on adding sensory details to your stories to make them come alive in the minds of the readers. So when someone's reading your story, they should really be able to picture like they're actually there. So today we're going to take a practice planning a story, and then you're going to plan your own story. So my topic for today is about Halloween, what we do at our house on Halloween every year. And I want to be able to make sure that I use all 5 of my senses, my touch, sight, smell, sounds that you might hear, and the tastes, so that somebody who has never experienced Halloween at my house would know what it feels like and would be really able to picture it in their mind. So my topic is going to be Halloween. And you can skip around as you're filling out your chart. As things come to you, you can just put it on. So one of the sights that I always love is to see the babies riding in the wagons. Not wagon. The wagons all bundled up under their costumes. They're really too little to get candy, but they're so cute to dress them up. So their mom and dad always puts them in the stroller in their wagon, and you could see them. I always count to see how many Mickey and Minnie Mouse can I find. I always think that. I'm always looking for Mickeys and Minnies because they're my favorite. So, one of the smells that always happens at my house is we have a fire in our fire pit. So it smells smoky and what's that? Burning. You can smell the smoke and burning wood all throughout the neighborhood because lots of my neighbors do that too. We also, something else that you always see in my neighborhood on Halloween is people put up lights. My one neighbor has a haunted house. So we always see those things going on. What else? My kids always complain. My kids always complain when they have itchy costumes about itchy, uncomfortable costumes. There's always that one, they hate the mask and they can't see. So much complaining about the way things feel. Another something that I just remembered. We always have hot apple cider at my house. So that's a smell, hot apple cider. It always smells so good. All right, so let's think about sounds now. What sounds do you hear? Of course we hear trick or treat all the time, right? And you can hear the click, click, click of kids. It's usually girls. You ever see the little princess heels of girls in their princess dress and heels? By the end of the night, their feet are always hurting. What else do we hear? There's just a lot of rustling and shuffling of lots of feet on my street. Oh, taste. Got to talk about the best part of Halloween, the peanut butter cups. And what else do we like? I always make a big pot of soup called gumbo. It's my tradition at my house. It means we do it every year. We make gumbo. We have our apple cider. Oh, another sound. Oh, I always play music. I play Halloween music in front of my house. One time, that goes in sight. A group of teenagers, they came up and danced to Michael Jackson's Thriller. You know that song Thriller by Michael Jackson? They did the dance right in my front yard. It was awesome. We have the best time in my neighborhood on Halloween. All right, so I think if I put all of these into my story tomorrow, then you guys will really understand what it's like to come do Halloween in my neighborhood. Okay, so today your lesson is going to be planning using visual details.